My name is Kathy Hohulin, and I'm from Roanoke, Illinois, in the United States. Well, for us, it started with doctor appointments this summer for our annual physical, and the family doctor recommended for my husband and I both that we have colonoscopies. We were due for that, and I was due for a mammogram. And I was asking her about the price and, ballpark figure, and she said, well, you can expect it to be ballpark around $3,000 a piece, which we really, it's a stretch for us. Our insurance plan that we're on right now is Samaritan Ministries. It's a wonderful plan. It has worked very well for us for over 6 years now. One thing they do not cover is screening. But they do have something called MetaBid, where you can put requests in for procedures that you would like to get bids on. And so we did that. We put a bid in for colonoscopies and a mammogram. And we got quite a few bids. You can decide if you want to do it locally, within your state, within the nation, outside of the nation. And so we got a number of bids, and one was for Costa Rica, which was very reasonably priced. And the more we thought about it, we actually prayed about it, and we're always game for an adventure. So we accepted the bid. They said you can accept as many bids as you want. So we accepted that bid, and we did some research online about medical care in Costa Rica. We discovered that Costa Rica actually is ranked higher than the United States by the World Health Organization. So we accepted the bid, and we were contacted by NC Medical Travel.
You know that using the services of North Carolina Medical Travel and having employees go to Clinica Unibe Hospital in Costa Rica is a very smart decision for you as an employer. However, you still have some questions, one of which is safety. Is the hospital accredited? Are the doctors credentialed just like in the USA? Are there any other safety concerns that I need to be aware of? Why will my employees be willing to go to Costa Rica to get health care?
And she did some excellent communication with us through email, through phone calls, referred us to websites. We were able to look up the Unibe clinic online, watch videos, and the more we thought about it, the more it seemed like a very exciting adventure. And so we said, let's go for it. So we went ahead, and we were able to pay for our airline tickets through airline points that we had accumulated, so that didn't cost us anything. We are here now. We were met at the airport. We had a driver. We were treated to lunch. The communication has been excellent.
For the kind words that you're gonna
Okay.
give to us, okay?
All
All right?
We have some wonderful accommodations lined up, places to stay. We have some tours lined up. So basically what this turns into is a medical vacation. For the cost of one colonoscopy in the United States, we are getting 2 colonoscopies, mammogram, dental checkups, dental work, 7 nights in some wonderful resorts, 2 wonderful tours. It's just a fantastic vacation, and so far we've been very pleased. I think it'll be something that we'll continue to do.
I know what you're thinking. If you want to travel abroad to have a certain procedure done, your first worry that comes to your mind is, should I do it? Is it safe? Will I be okay over there, outside of the States? And I can assure you that here in Clinica Unibe, we have the highest standards possible, just as in the States, just as in Canada, just as in Europe, wherever you may want to go, where it's a lot closer than taking those far trips. Here we individualize every patient, and we find out which are your specific needs through the blood work that we do and through the history, physical exam and everything, to be sure that you're going to be okay, to be sure what we are going to need in the OR. And The same medications that anesthesiologists use in the States, we have here. The same anesthetic equipment, the same anesthetic machines that you would find in the States or in Canada or in Europe are the same ones that we have here. So you have nothing to worry about that. We have all the same technology over there. And you have all the warmth of the people from here, from Clinica Unibe. We're going to be very happy to help you with whatever trouble you have.
Well, of course, when we thought about coming to Costa Rica for medical care, we had concerns. One of the concerns was cleanliness, whether the care would be top-notch or lower expectations. We weren't quite sure what to expect. But we did research it online, like I said, and the clinic here, Clinic Unibe, is very clean. It seems very modernized. The equipment looks very modern. I don't have any qualms at this point. We've been very reassured by the staff here.
$20,000 savings. So that's a brand new car.
Yeah. I would tell people in the United States that as far as our experience so far, it has been a very good experience. I would not be afraid to come to Costa Rica for medical care. Like I said, they are ranked very high by the World Health Organization, and they are accredited by their organizations, the international organizations. They're accredited just like they are in the United States, so I don't think you need to be afraid.
Where we are a big family dedicated to providing you with the best possible healthcare. We would love to have you here.